Hey there fellow travelers, welcome to this video on the ultimate 5-day Kerala itinerary. I'm super excited to share this with you and I hope it helps you plan an amazing trip to God's own place, Kerala. So here's the story. We had planned to visit Kerala recently, but unfortunately we had to cancel our trip due to some personal reasons. However, we had already done our research and created an amazing itinerary which we are going to share with you. So here's our 5-day Kerala itinerary covering some of the most beautiful destinations in the state. We'll be exploring Kochi, Munnar, Thekkady, Alleppey and a few other hidden gems. And the best part, we have planned our itinerary to ensure that we change our stay every night so we get to experience different parts of Kerala. Day 1, Kochi. We'll be starting our journey in Kochi where we'll be staying for the night at a hotel in the city center. We have chosen a hotel that is close to major attractions so we can explore the city on foot. In the morning, we'll be visiting Fort Kochi, including the famous Chinese fishing nets. We'll also be exploring the Kochi Museum and learning about city's rich history. In the evening, we'll be taking a sunset cruise on the backwaters, which will give us a stunning view of the city skyline. We'll be staying overnight at our hotel in Kochi. Day 2, Munnar. In the morning, we'll be driving to Munnar, which is around 4 hours, where we'll be staying for the night at a tea plantation resort. We have chosen a resort that is surrounded by lush green tea plantations so we can wake up to the sound of birds chirping and the smell of fresh tea. In the afternoon, we'll be exploring the tea plantations and taking in breathtaking views of the surrounding hills. We'll also be visiting the Mattupeti Dam and the Echo Point. We'll be staying overnight at our resort in Munnar. Day 3, Thekkady. In the morning, we'll be driving to Thekkady, which takes around 2 hours, where we'll be staying for the night at a jungle resort. We have chosen a resort that is located right in the heart of the Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary, so we can easily explore the jungle and spot some amazing wildlife. In the afternoon, we'll be taking a boat ride on the Periyar Lake, which will give us a stunning view of the surrounding jungle. We'll also be visiting the spice plantation and learning about the local flora and fauna. We'll be staying overnight at our resort in Thekkady. Day 4, Alleppey. In the morning, we'll be driving to Alleppey, which takes around 3 hours, where we'll be staying for the night on a houseboat. We have chosen a houseboat that is equipped with all the modern amenities so we can relax and enjoy the scenic views of the backwater. In the afternoon, we'll be taking a cruise on the backwater, which will give us a stunning view of the surrounding landscape. We'll also be visiting the Alleppey beach and enjoying the sunset. We'll be staying overnight on a houseboat in Alleppey. Day 5, Kochi. In the morning, we'll be driving back to Kochi, which takes around 2 hours, where we'll be spending the day shopping for souvenirs or exploring the city. In the evening, we'll be departing from Kochi, bringing back memories of our amazing trip to Kerala. Now, let's talk about the intercity travel in Kerala. There are several options available, including buses, taxis and trains. Here are a few suggestions to help you plan your trip. Use the Kerala State Road Transport Corporation buses for intercity travel. They are affordable and convenient and you can book tickets online in advance. Use Uber or Ola for shorter distances like within cities or towns. They are convenient and affordable and you can track your rides in real time. Use trains for long distances like between Kochi and Trivandrum. You can book tickets online through the Indian Railways website or through a ticketing app. When using public transportation, be sure to check your schedule and plan your itinerary accordingly. You do not want to stuck waiting for a bus or train for hours. Download offline map on your phone or GPS device to help navigate Kerala's road and streets. This is especially helpful in rural areas where internet connectivity may be limited. Finally, be sure to book your accommodations and transportation in advance, especially during the peak travel season. This will help you ensure that you have a smooth and enjoyable trip. That's it, folks. A 5-day Kerala itinerary packed with adventure, culture, and natural beauty. We hope you found this video helpful, and we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Happy travels, and we'll see you in our next video.